Okay, welcome back. So we've created a site for calling. We've just gone through the enabling the dialer for your inbound and your outbound calling. And now the easiest of them all would be configuring people search. So please note that this people search is for dialing. When we get to meetings, we can enable it there. And when we get to messaging, we'll enable it there. So just to note that once we flip into this, we technically could just toggle them on for all of them, but we'll wait and we'll just toggle them on when we get there. Okay, so this is the familiar homepage that we land on. And to enable this people search, we're going to go to our Webex admin page. Very intuitive. And we're going to scroll down to people search. And it's a simple toggle. That's it for our dialer search. And at the end, we'll make a call and we'll bring it all together. And that's it. There is no save in this feature for this.